Okay, now we're going to work on the neck and the arms for the robot. Maybe we'll get to the legs, not sure. But we're going to pick the rounded rectangle tool. And I'm going to go ahead and let me just click one time and set the corner radius to 0.25 right there. That'll work. And go ahead and hit OK. And let's make it about like this. And I'm going to go ahead and pick, let's go with this darker gray. Say OK. And then we are going to edit copy, edit paste in front. And then let's move it down right underneath it. Okay, and let's select these two and group them, object group. And let's go ahead and move it up here to the neck area. Maybe I could make it a little skinnier. Whoops. That's not exactly what I wanted to do. Maybe something like that, and nudge it over into the middle. And now it's in front of his chin and body, so we're going to say object arrange, send to back, and click off. So now his neck is back there. And we're going to do we're going to make some arm parts now, and we're going to make these a little bit taller using the same tool. I'm going to go ahead and do this, and we're going to do I say we'll stay with the 2x2. So I like about that shape here. So we're going to go edit copy, edit paste in front, and then let's just drag it down like about so. Okay, now what we're going to do is group this, object group. And in truth, I think I made it a little bit too big, so we're going to make it about like that. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to rotate it. You see how the cursor changes when you hover right outside? If you hold shift on your keyboard, you can drag and rotate on a 45-degree angle. Okay, and I think I'm going to want his arms a little bit skinnier, and let's move him about right there. Okay, now let's change this tool to the ellipse tool. I'm going to hold shift and drag a circle for his shoulders, and I'm going to do this, and I want the shoulder is going to be up right about there, and we're going to send that object arrange send to back, so it's behind the body. And then I need to move the arm parts. I think the arm parts are a little bit too they were too tall. I'm going to nudge them into place, and then I'm going to say object arrange send to back for these guys so they're behind the shoulder joint. Okay, and now I am going to make another circle here, same color as this one, and I'm going to just select these, edit copy, edit paste, and let's move them where we want, and I'm going to rotate them back, hold shift and rotate them where you want. Now I'm going to put these back, object arrange send to back, so they're behind the other joint. Now I want these joints because we're going to animate this guy later, and I want us to understand the body movement of a humanoid figure, so we could bend the arms when we walk and move and that sort of thing. So that's why we're putting these little joints in here. So now I'm going to make sure I carefully select only the arm, and I'm going to go object group, and you'll notice that the group is now in front of the body. So I need to select it and go object arrange send to back again. Okay, and so let's copy and paste that, edit copy, edit paste in front. I can move it all the way across. Now I'm going to teach you something new. I'm going to flip this horizontally by going object transform, and then in Adobe Illustrator they say object transform reflect. Okay, and we're going to reflect it on the vertical axis, And then we are going to go ahead and hit OK. And there you go. You flipped it horizontally. Okay, and nudge that into place. So we're gonna make the legs in the next video, and possibly we'll get to the hands. And so have fun making the neck for the robot and the arms. Have fun.